Story Podcast, The Last Message. Welcome to Real English Room. Have you ever received a message that changed your whole day? Or maybe your whole life? Today's story is about a message that arrived too late. This podcast is for intermediate English learners. Don't worry about every word. Just listen, feel the story, and follow the meaning. At the end, we'll review useful vocabulary together. Let's begin. Daniel checked his phone for the third time that morning. No new messages. He told himself he didn't care anymore. But habits don't disappear easily. A week earlier, Emma had walked out of his life without shouting, without explanations, just silence. Silence can be cruel. Daniel replayed their last conversation again and again. He remembered her pause, the way she wanted to say something, but didn't. That night, Daniel never asked the right question. And now, it was too late. Days passed. No calls. No messages. Just memories. Slowly becoming heavier. One evening, while cleaning his inbox, Daniel noticed a notification, an old voice message sent 7 days ago from Emma. His heart slowed. He pressed play. Her voice sounded tired, calm, but fragile. She said she was scared. Not of him, but of staying silent. She said she needed him to listen, not to fix things, just to listen. The message ended suddenly. Daniel sat still. He had been waiting for the wrong answer, while the real message was already there. Sometimes we lose people not because we don't care, but because we listened too late. That night, Daniel didn't reply. Some messages are not meant to be answered. They are meant to be understood. Our vocabulary review intermediate. 1, habit, something you do regularly. 2, cruel, causing emotional pain. 3, replay, to think about again. 4, pause, a short stop. 5, notification, alert on your phone. 6, fragile, easily broken emotionally. 7, fix, to solve a problem. 8, inbox, place where messages arrive. 9, silent, without sound or words. 10, understand, to truly know the meaning. Some stories don't end loudly. They end quietly, inside us. If this story helped you enjoy English and feel the language, don't forget to like this episode. Subscribe to Real English Room for more stories and real English for real life. Thank you for listening.